In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Instagram Reels comment not showing. Let's get started. First thing you wanna do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also give a fresh restart to your router. Next thing you wanna do is launch Instagram. First close the app and relaunch it. This might also resolve the issue. If not, check for app updates. For that, navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Launch Instagram, click on Upload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. Lastly, if this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.